Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm here to share a very interesting video with you guys. And the video is all about my Nykaa haul that I purchased recently. Yes guys, so show me the box. Yeah, so this is huge box. I have been purchasing from Nykaa since 15 or 20 days because good sale is going on there, so I thought why not to share it with you guys. So I got two of these type of boxes. One is this, and other I have also other one. So yeah, let's get started. Actually, I want to tell you that Valentine's Day sale is going on Nykaa, so I thought why not to purchase some of the products. But yes guys, but I have not spent so much of money on beauty products. These are all a mixture of all the products that I wanted and that I needed a lot. So yeah, let's get started. First of all, I want to show you a haul that is from Vega brand, and I have been purchasing so many things from Vega because I like that brand so much, because it is affordable and the products are very much of good quality. So let's get started. First thing that I bought from Vega is this. Yeah, so it has four of the sponges. These are the cleansing sponge, but these are also meant for applying foundation onto your face, because whenever you are going outside, so you need one brush or sponge to apply foundation onto your skin. So I thought why not to purchase these Vega sponges, because that oval kind of sponge, I found it everywhere, but I did not got that sponge. So I just grabbed it. And if you want to watch the review of these Vega sponges, so please tell me guys. I will shoot a video for its review also. I hope it will turn out good, because it has four of the sponges. So yeah, it is a good deal, and it is of 150 rupees, so it is very much affordable. You should go for it guys, and it is a must try. So yeah. Then my second Vega product is this brush set. So it has five basic brushes. Yeah, so it has five basic brushes that everyone need, because whenever you are going to start makeup as a routine in your life, so whenever you are going inclined towards makeup, these are the brushes that you will be needing. So these are the beginners brushes, so I just grabbed it. Yeah, I'm a beginner. So yeah, then third thing what I bought from Vega is this. And this is the headband. Whenever you want to apply some face pack or some massage, you want to do some massage over your face, you can wear this band. This is so useful, and it costs rupees 65 rupees. And I forgot to mention the prices of these brushes. These come in 250 rupees. So 250 rupees is for these brushes, and 65 rupees is for this headband. Yeah, so next thing that I bought from Vega is this hairbrush. Yeah, so this is the hairbrush, very compact hairbrush I would say, because if it is very much travel friendly also. I have that paddle brush that is meant for uh, day to day care, but whenever I will be needing a brush for traveling, I will depend on this brush. So it is a very good brush. I have used it so many times, so it is for 125 rupees. Yeah. So these are all the things from Vega. Now come back to another brands that I purchased. So yeah, this is the Panache natural whatever bath scrubber. So it is the Panache Ayurveda recommends vetiver natural vetiver bath scrubber. I need it guys. Yes, we all need one scrubber from good brand, so that you can clean your elbows, knees, and all the things. So yeah, it is the scrubber. Actually it is made up of some wooden thingy kind of thing, so it is very much good. And yeah, I want to show you like this. Yeah, so it cost me for rupees 149. Yeah, So it is another thing. And now my next product is this. It is QVS natural cellulose facial cleansing sponges. So it is very much helpful for removing your makeup. As far as you know that we do makeup, and removing makeup is also very much necessary. So it is also a good product I found at Nykaa.com. So what you will have to do, you will just have to take out this sponge and damp it in the water, and then just remove your makeup. Yeah guys, it is that easy. Although I have not used it yet, but yeah, I will be using it and telling it to you guys that how will it come to me. Yeah. So yeah, these are all my sponges, brushes that are necessary for makeup. Now coming back to some of the beauty products, or some skincare products. So first product that has to be in my list is one moisturizer, because I have so much of dry skin. In winters I certainly have acne because of the dry skin over my chin area. So moisturizer has to be in your list. So I just found this Nivea Soft Light Moisturizer, and I swear by this product. This product is so good, and it is very much affordable. It is 140, it is for 145 rupees, and this is how much gram it is, 100 ml. Yes guys, you can believe this product is so good. So if you are having dry skin, try it out. So yeah, it was my another product, and let's come to another product. And I just purchased this Olay, and this is Olay 7-in-1 day cream, and it has touch of foundation. So I just like the product very much, that it has a touch of foundation in one cream. So yeah, I just purchased this product, and I will be reviewing this product for sure. It is my list. Yeah guys. So another product that I bought from there is this uh, Deep Clean Blackhead Eliminating Daily Scrub. Yeah guys, this is the product that I needed for most, because it is Blackhead Fighting Complex Neutrogena. Yeah, it is from Neutrogena brand. So I just picked it up. It is 40 gram, and this is for how much I don't know. Sorry. So okay, I forgot to tell you the price of this Olay. Actually, this is 50 gram of product, and it cost me rupees 799 rupees. So 800 rupees for this Olay 7-in-1 cream. So yeah, this is my another product. Then I purchased this. What is this? Yeah, this is roll on whitening, smooth skin roll on, even tone, smoother underarm. So I just purchased this one because I have been using sprays for a longer time, but I want a roll on, so I purchased this one. Although I have been using this product for long, but I have completed that product, so I have to purchase this new product. Yeah, so it is another product. Then I just went for this Olay face wash with this Olay Olay 7-in-1 day cream. I just have to take this normal to dry skin, because it is very much good and moisture balance foaming face wash. So I just purchase this thing. Yeah, its price is 135 rupees for this one. Yeah. So next product in my list is this Tresemme hair fall control. This is my for most product, and it has to be in my list all the time. Yes guys, all the time. I'm very much dependent on this product, and I cannot wash my hair from using another shampoo. So I just love this product Tresemme. Although I try different variants of this Tresemme shampoo, because earlier I have that salon what is that yeah, salon something, and now I have this hair fall control shampoo. So advanced technology cello performance hair fall defense. Yeah, so I just grabbed it. This is a very good product. So it priced me for rupees 123. So yeah. Then next I purchased from there is this Nivea Soft Rose. What is this? lip balm. Yes, I just like this lip balm, so I just purchased it, and it is, you know, rosy in color, give tinted pink, not that tinted, but yeah, little bit of tint it has. So it is for, you know, keeping in my bag or purse, so that I can, you know, take it in my traveling. So yeah, this is another product, and I don't know the price of this because I have, you know, thrown the packaging of this product. So yeah. Then next I bought this Pond's BB cream. Although I have, you know, another BB cream, that is this Pond's BB cream. I have a big packet of it, but you know, whenever I am going outside or traveling, so I will be needing small packet. So I just bought this packet also, and it comes for 75 rupees, no discount. Oh, tiny mini. Yeah, so it is so cute. So I liked it in, you know, for keeping it my purse, in my purse. So I just bought it. And then I just went for, yeah, this LA18 Glow Compact, and I liked it very much because, you know, it is so good, and it is yeah, so feminine, because graphic character is printed over there, so I liked it very much. So I just picked it up. So yeah, one more thing is left. Yeah, so one more thing is left, this tiny mini bottle that comes with Nivea body lotion. Actually, this is a free product that comes with Nivea body lotion. So yeah guys, it was my haul from Nykaa.com, and if you like my haul, please rate, comment and subscribe to my channel, and like this video if you like my video. Yeah, and please help me promoting my videos. So yeah, stay tuned, stay more beautiful. Bye. See you next time.